Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with us. In the last episode, we learned how to invite people politely. Would you like to? Do you want to? How about? But an invitation is only half the story. Today we'll learn how to accept, refuse, and respond naturally in English, just like native speakers.
Yes, because saying no always makes me feel uncomfortable.
You're not alone. Most learners feel that way. So let's make it easy and natural. 1. Accepting an invitation. Warmly, when you want to say yes, don't just say yes. Add warmth and energy. Here are some great ways to accept. I'd love to. That sounds great. Sure, why not? I'd be happy to. Perfect. Count me in. Sounds like fun. Absolutely. I'm in.
So, I'd love to is stronger than yes, right?
Exactly. It shows enthusiasm. Let's compare. A. Would you like to join us for dinner? B1. Yes. Okay, but a bit cold. I'd love to. Perfect. Warm and friendly.
Got it. So, tone really matters.
Yes. Even a simple smile changes everything when you speak. Adding details to your yes. When you accept, you can make your answer sound more natural by adding details or questions. For example, that sounds great. What time should I come? I'd love to. Should I bring something? Sure. Who else is going?
So I can say, I'd love to. Should I bring dessert?
Exactly. That's friendly and shows you're interested. 3. Refusing politely. Now let's look at how to say no without being rude. The key is to start with something positive or grateful. Here are some examples. Thanks so much for inviting me, but I already have plans. I'd love to, but I'm a bit busy this week. That sounds fun, but I can't make it this time. Sorry, I've got something else on. I really appreciate the invite, but maybe next time.
So you always say thank you first.
Exactly. It softens the no. You're not rejecting the person, just the plan.
Okay, let me try. Thanks for inviting me, but I can't make it tonight. Maybe next week?
Perfect. That's polite and positive. 4. Postponing or suggesting another time. If you can't accept now but want to meet later, you can say, maybe another time. Can we do it next week instead? Let's try for the weekend. I'd love to, but how about next Saturday?
So that keeps the friendship alive.
Exactly. You're showing you want to see them, just not today. 5. Dialogue practice. Refusing gracefully. Let's do a mini scene. Hey Maya, would you like to go to the movies tonight?
Oh, thanks for the invitation, Steve, but I can't tonight. I promised to help my sister. Maybe Friday?
Friday works for me. Let's go then.
See, that was easy. I didn't feel awkward at all.
Exactly. It's not about saying no. It's about saying it nicely. 6. Useful expressions for both yes and no. Situation natural expression. Accept enthusiastically. I'd love to. That sounds awesome. Accept politely. Sure, I'd be happy to. Decline politely. Thanks, but I already have plans. Suggest another time. Maybe we can do it next week? Keep it open. Let me check and get back to you.
Oh, let me check and get back to you. That's like a soft maybe, right?
Exactly. It buys you time without closing the door. 7. Cultural tip. Saying no in English. Here's something important about English-speaking culture. People often avoid saying a direct no. They prefer softer answers like, I'm not sure I can. I don't think so. It might be difficult.
Oh, so when someone says, I'm not sure I can, it probably means no?
Yes, it's a polite way to refuse. If they really want to come, they'll say something like, absolutely, count me in.
That's so interesting. Now I'll understand those hidden no's.
Ha ha, exactly. 8. Pronunciation and tone. Let's practice how intonation changes meaning. Listen. I'd love to. Enthusiastic. I'd love to. Sorry, but no time.
Wow. Same words, different feel.
Exactly. Your voice and smile communicate as much as the words do. 9. Practice time. Your turn. All right, let's practice together. I'll invite you. You decide how to reply. Would you like to come to my barbecue on Saturday?
That sounds amazing. What should I bring?
Perfect. Next one. Do you want to go hiking on Sunday?
Thanks, but I already have plans. Maybe next week?
Excellent. Natural and friendly. Listeners, try answering out loud with your own plans. 10. Extra phrases for everyday invitations. Here are a few extra expressions you can use anytime. I'll let you know. Equals I need to check first. Keep me posted equals tell me updates. Sounds tempting, but I can't this time. I really wish I could. Thanks for thinking of me.
Thanks for thinking of me. That's so sweet.
Yes, it shows gratitude even when you can't accept. 11. Mini scene. The polite decline. Let's act it out one last time.
All right.
Hey Maya, would you like to join me for a concert Friday night?
Oh, that sounds amazing, but I'm working late Friday. Maybe Saturday instead?
Saturday works. Thanks for suggesting.
See, no drama, no stress.
Exactly. That's the English way. Friendly, calm, and polite. 12. Wrap up and recap.
So today we learned how to accept and refuse invitations naturally.
Exactly. We covered expressions like, I'd love to. That sounds great. Thanks, but maybe next time. And let me check and get back to you.
We also talked about tone, intonation, and how to show gratitude when you can't join.
Right. Because being polite is not just about words. It's about how you make people feel.
Beautifully said, Steve.
Thank you. So, Maya, would you like to record the next episode tomorrow?
Ha, I'd love to. What time?
Let's say 10 a.m. Sounds good.
Perfect. Count me in.
And you, dear listeners, count us in for the next episode of Learn English with us.
Bye, everyone.